There is a perfect dress back there that's $12,000.
Oh my God.
My name's Veronica. I'm 25 years old. I'm a psychology major. I've been engaged for the past year. My fiance, Raph, is probably the most amazing person in this world. When I met him, he followed me home from the gym. After that, it was just love at first sight. And I'm hoping to find something with feathers on the bottom.
Feathers are tricky to find.
I'm really big on fashion and I like dressing nice. It's a huge part of the wedding.
Have you seen her in dresses yet?
Yes. Many. I've actually already bought a dress, and then I returned it the next day.
Did you feel pressured? Why did you?
Oh, I felt really pressured. There was a lady standing there with a bell.
Literally.
With a bell?
Yeah. They asked me if it's the perfect dress, and I said, I guess.
That sounds terrible.
I get to make a wish and everything, so I figured it'd be good luck. It was just a big mess, so I just want to be really sure. When I met my fiance, I knew he was the one, and I just want to have that same feeling about my dress.
So what's your budget?
About $5,000.
My job today is to give her lots of room to breathe and to gently guide her towards finding a dress. She wants fit and flare or mermaid style. She also wants feathers. Feathers tend to be a more couture element, and the price can run really high. So I'm gonna look for dresses with the effect of feathers if I can't find actual feathers. Oh, there's a few already in here.
I really like this one.
This is actually a $12,000 Inez de Santo dress.
Are you kidding me? That is more than double my budget.
This dress costs as much as a compact car. Is it a dangerous game to play with that one?
A little bit, but maybe at the end.
Well, okay, we'll leave it in here. We'll leave it in here.
So I feel like this dress embodies everything that I'm looking for in a dress. I'm not leaving the store without trying that dress on.
This one has a feather skirt. It's a princess style.
Okay, I'll try that one on then.
And I know she's looking for a mermaid shape, but this princess ball gown has a lot of gorgeous feather detail in the skirt and a lot of drama in the bodice. I think it's a great starting point.
Oh my God.
Oh
my gosh.
It's got flowers, it's got beads, it's got feathers, it's got fluff. It is way too much dress and not enough Veronica.
It looks good, but it's not you.
I hate when people say that. What's me, like a simple lace gown that I returned already? Is that supposed to be me?
You're more classy, sophisticated, sexy. This is really pretty. She just looks kind of bleh.
I love everything about it. I love the top, I love the sequins, I love the lace. I think it looks beautiful.
You should get married. It's too poofy. It's just too princess. There is a perfect dress back there that's $12,000.
Oh my God.
Oh, well.
We have to see it.
Why don't we try a few more on? Actually, there's this one right here. The dress on the Judy is a gorgeous dress. There are no feathers per se, but the effect of the detail in the skirt is really gorgeous and dreamy.
I'm not sure about this one. It doesn't have like that posh elegance that I'm looking for.
Oh my God. I love it.
You look beautiful.
Gorgeous.
It looks way better on you than it did on the mannequin.
Wow.
Oh my.
That's so pretty.
Veronica.
I love the
Look at her, she looks hot.
It's in our budget.
$2,200.
I thought you were gonna say 20,000.
Do you guys have a veil?
Yeah, there's signs right there.
Do we?
I felt really good in the dress. It has all that flair and it just has a really nice flow and it's a really beautiful dress. Can we try on that $12,000 one?
Oh.
I'm really hoping that I hate it, but I don't think I will.
Everyone throw your shoe budget for the next 3 years in.
If she falls in love with it, we are gonna be screwed.
This $12,000 gown is not going away. It's in Veronica's head, and this could go either way. She could fall in love with it and have to go home and re-budget the entire wedding, or she might not love it and we can finally move on.
Oh my God. Oh, to be honest, I don't even like it. I don't like it at all.
Oh my George, that's what $12,000 in material looks like?
What do you guys think of the too much?
Too much.
Love it.
Yeah, it's a little low.
Like, you are gorgeous. You don't need everyone's attention drawn to your
You're
dress.
saying it's an ugly chick's dress.
No, I'm not saying that.
It's a nice dress, but the other one was beautiful. The other one was sexy. This one's, eh. Let's just face it, it's hideous.
I don't like how it cuts off. There are things about it that I really don't like. It looks a little bit too pop star. The neckline just goes down way too far. I can give up my love for feathers. It's too much. That lace dress was just different. It flowed so nicely.
I think you should try it on one more time.
$12,000, $2,000, it doesn't really matter in the end. It's all about the bride plus the dress. It's that chemistry that makes it work.
I absolutely love this dress.
This is the one. Yay!
I just knew it was the one. It just really complimented my body, my figure. I knew that my fiance would absolutely love it. All the girls loved it, and most of all, I loved it. No regrets.
No regrets.